Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write Excel formulas for you, step by step. If you've ever spent 20 minutes trying to fix a VLOOKUP error or Googling formula syntax, this video will save you hours. We're making Excel easy with AI. First, go to chat.openai.com. In the chat box, describe what you want clearly. For example, let's say I have two columns, product and sales, and I want to sum sales for a specific product. I'll type, write an Excel formula to sum sales for product A, where the product name is in column A and sales are in column B. Equals ChatGPT instantly gives me equals SUMIF open parenthesis, A colon A comma product A, B colon B. I'll copy this, paste into Excel, and it works perfectly. Create a formula to calculate average sales for all products. ChatGPT instantly gives me equals average open parenthesis, B colon B close parenthesis. Now let's try something harder. A VLOOKUP that shows not found if the value is missing. Create an Excel formula to look up an employee name by ID. Column A has IDs, column B has names. If ID is not found, show not found. ChatGPT suggests equals IFERROR, open parenthesis, VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, D2, A colon B, 2, FALSE, close parenthesis, comma. Quote not found, quote close parenthesis, next. And it works. Remember, the clearer your prompt, the better the formula. Tell ChatGPT your column letters, what you want to achieve, and any special conditions. Always test the formula in a blank cell first before applying it to your entire sheet. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'll be posting more AI and Excel tutorials every week. Comment below what formula you want me to make ChatGPT write next. I might feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching.